Welcome guys. So this is a little different set of Venn diagram optimization. As usual, I would suggest you to attempt this set. Link of the question is there in the description section and then watch the video solution. Now let's start. In a survey conducted by 100 person in a village of Haryana, the cell phone about the cell phone they have ordered online. Each person has ordered at least one of the three phones. And which are the three phones? iPhone X, MI and OnePlus. When they were asked about the phones they ordered, following results were there. Now let's see what are the results. The number of person who ordered iPhone X is more than the number of person who ordered MI, which is in turn more than the number of person who ordered OnePlus 6. So iPhone is greater than MI and which is greater than OnePlus. Fine. Now second point says that number of person who ordered OnePlus 6 is more than the number of person who ordered exactly two of these phones, which is in turn more than the number of person who ordered all the three. So extending this inequality, so this would be nothing but exactly 2 and this exactly 2 has to be greater than exactly 3. Fine. Now these are the just two conditions. By seeing this, all we can make a note is that the value of exactly 2 has to be always greater than or equal to 1, right? Our minimum value of exactly 2 is 1, right? Fine, and these are the sets that we have to consider. Now let's look into the question. The first question says that if the number of person who ordered iPhone X is minimum. So this is the condition, that number of person who is ordering iPhone X is minimum possible. Then which of the following number of person ordered MI Note 5? So first we have to minimize this and then we have to find the value of MI Note 5. So let's do that. Let's make a Venn diagram to visualize this. So our Venn diagram would be something like this, and total number of person ordered is 100 and n equals to 0, that no person ordering nothing of them would be 0 because at least one of them ordered something, right? Now given the condition is that iPhone has to be minimum. Now iPhone has to be minimum and we have to fulfill this complete inequality. Now seeing this, iPhone has to be minimum. It can only be minimum when all these three sets, iPhone, MI and OnePlus, are almost equal or just greater than each of them. What I mean to say that let's suppose, just taking a rough calculation, iPhone, MI and OnePlus, let's suppose all of them or they do not overlap. So in that condition of trying to making them almost equal, so this would be 34, 33 and 33, right? Now because exactly 2 ka minimum value is 1, now when exactly 2 ka minimum value is 1, it means that there is an overlap, and also still our condition is not satisfied. Now in order to do that, these two are becoming equal, so let's make them unequal. So in that would be 35, 34 giving 1 and making them an overlap of MI and iPhone, and this would be 32. Now let's see if this is possible or not in the Venn diagram. Okay, now in order to do that, we have given exactly 3 as 0. Now MI and iPhone, we are having an overlap, as we have done that, giving 1 over them and taking an overlap. So 1, okay, now making MI as 34, so this would be 33. Now making iPhone as 35, so this would be 34 and this is 32. Now let's count them. Are they making it to 100? 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 6. Yes, so this is making 100. So this is definitely possible. Now in this case, the minimum possible value was 35 for iPhone and then the value of MI is 34, right? Now please don't get confused with our rough calculation. This has to be there, but this calculation of making almost all of them equal, we were not able to satisfy this condition. Now in order to satisfy the condition and this condition at the same time, we just made our iPhone, we increased the value of iPhone to just 1 more, that is 35, and adjusted the value to find the possible value for MI. So a little hit and trial would also be included if you are solving. Now let's see question number 2. Let me erase all this. Now let's see question number 2. It says that find the maximum number of person who ordered OnePlus 6. And if you look into the options that we have, it is nearing or near about 80. Now as we have to maximize OnePlus, so we'll have to try to, or we'll try to put all the values in the shared region, that is exactly 2 and exactly 3 region. So what could be the maximum value that we can put in exactly 3? Can you put 50? No, we cannot put 50 because exactly 2 region would have to be greater than exactly 3 region, and anything greater than 50 would definitely be 51, and that would exceed the value of 100. So the maximum value that I can put over here in the shared region is 49. Now in that case, I can put 17, 17 equally distributing it to all the subparts of exactly 2 region. Now we can see that that as of now we have satisfied this relation exactly 2 is greater than exactly 3. Exactly 2 is 1 plus is greater than exactly 2. Yes. Okay. What is remaining is this 3 inequalities to be satisfied. As of now, all of them are equal. Now, if you observe, let's start from iPhone and MI. So both of them are equal. Now, in order to make them unequal, what I can do is, reduce the number over here from 17 to 16 and make this as 18. Now, in that case, what would happen that iPhone is now definitely greater than MI. Now, in that case, as I've taken the number to there, 1 plus is less than MI, just less than MI. Now, this is the maximum possible value for 1 plus. Okay. So, what is it? 9 plus 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 7 is 22. Carry 2, 5, 6, 8. Okay. So, answer to this question is 82. Now, let's see question number 3. What can be the maximum number of person who ordered only MI Note 5? So we need to maximize this complete region, right? This complete region. Now if we look into the options, because we have to be very careful. So if we look into the options, it cannot be 50, because if I give 50, so this iPhone has to be greater than complete MI. And if this itself is 50, iPhone would be anywhere greater than 50. Let's suppose it is 51. So this will violate that the total summation is 100. So 50 would definitely be eliminated at once. Right, let's see the other nearest number, because we have to maximize it. Let's suppose if it is 49. Now in that case, what can happen is 49, iPhone has to be greater than MI. So if I make this as 51, let's suppose I'm making it to 51. So these two are being satisfied. Okay. Now OnePlus and iPhone are equal. So let's make them unequal. Now in order to make them unequal, so let's suppose I make it as 1 and then 50. Now in that case, exactly 2 equals to 1 and 1 plus equals to 1. So let's get something more over here so that this inequality is satisfied, right? So if I make this as 49 and bring 1 over here, right? So hope this is satisfying. So this iPhone is 50, this is 49, this is 2, everything is satisfied. So 49 is a possible number. So 49 is the correct answer. You can have other way of doing it. Like if it was 49 over here and we kept 51 over here. So what we could have done is that we could have made 1 over here and then 50. Now in that case, 1 plus and exactly 2 are the same. So how to reduce this? Let's make it now as 49 and now make it as 1. Now in this case, 1 plus is 50 and iPhone is also 50. Now in that case, let's make it as 48 and give it as 1, right? So this is also satisfying. So this is altogether 50, this is 49 and this is again 49. Okay, so we'll have to make it as 47 and plus 1. So now let's see if this is 50, this is 49, this is 48. So it's satisfying, right? Anyway, our answer is 49. Fine. So other way of doing it if you're doing a hit and try. Now let's see question number 4. Find the maximum number of person who ordered MI Note 5 and OnePlus but not iPhone X. So it's nothing but asking to maximize this region, right? Now let's look into the option. Option is 50, 49, 48 and 47. Now I can clearly see that I cannot take it as 50. Now if I take this as 50 and this region is nothing but sub part of exactly 2, right? Exactly 2 is all these 3 regions and this is sub part of exactly 2. And we know that iPhone set is more than the exactly 2 region, right? So anything more than that would be 51 and that would violate our condition that the total number of persons surveyed is 100. So definitely it will not be 50, clear, right? So now the other number that we have is 49. So we'll have to do hit and trial. That is a better thing to do. So if this is 49 and we have to fulfill all the condition, now as we have to maximize this region, let's try, or we have to make all the value of exactly 2 in this subset of exactly 2. It means that let's make the other regions of exactly 2 as 0 so that we can give more and more value to this region of exactly 2. Now let's try to satisfy the given inequalities or this complete inequality. So as of now, what we can do is mi and 1 plus are the same, that is 49 and 49. Now if we make this as 1 and give this as 50, are we satisfying all the condition? So mi is 50, this is 51, but mi and 1 plus again is 50. Mi and 1 plus again is 50. So this is also not possible. 49 case is also not possible. Let's try with the other number. The another lesser number is 48. Now in that case 48, so if I give this as 1, so this would be 49 and this as 51. Now again these numbers are same, 49 for mi and 1 plus, both are 49. So let's make this as 50 and then give it as 1. Okay, now is it satisfying all the conditions? So this is 48 and 1, this is 50, this all okay, everything is being satisfied and 48 is satisfying the condition. So this is the correct answer. So a little hit and trial you'll have to do according to the options that you have. You can definitely ignore or eliminate one of the options very easily, as we eliminated 50. So that's it. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.